Hello friends, it's me Karthik. Hope you guys are doing really good. So in this tutorial, we are going to talk about Maven license file generator. Okay, so let me open a file here. Now you could see here in my application, there is this target folder. Inside that, there is a folder called license, and here this file is the third party license. This will give that information about the licenses of all the libraries being used as part of your application. Okay, so this will take from the main path and it will try to scan everything what are the libraries, and it will give the information about them. Okay, the license information, this includes your Spring Boot libraries as well. So usually we have Spring Boot starter libraries, right? Inside that starter libraries there would be couple of other libraries also being available, like JUnit, Mockito, all those things. So information being automatically been added here. How we can generate this file is, okay, let's do one thing. Let's try to generate it. You simply clean this, and if you clean it, what will happen, this target file will be deleted, right? So let me clean this guy. Okay, target file is deleted. Now let's run this command, maven license colon add third party. This command should generate it. There's a separate plugin as well that also you can configure here. Okay, so this particular site, this particular company, you can say like Mojo House, will take care of maven license. Okay, so here they will give you a lot of other good things as well. Okay, so as I said, there is this plugin, right? So let's try to use this particular plugin as well. Okay, there are other versions as well. This also you can use, not a big deal. Okay, so what is the use of this plugin when I could able to generate it from my command itself? Now you could see this particular file got generated from the third party, sorry, in the target folder. Okay, then what is the use of this plugin when I could able to generate this? Yes, that is also a valid question, right? Okay, let me put that plugin here. Okay, so the best purpose is, it is you can customize here basically. Okay, like this got generated in target folder, right? This you can customize here by adding some generated resources. Some configurations will be there you can mention those things. And also they are using this version, right? 2.4.0 is the latest version, so if you want you can go back to the previous versions as well. So there will be more customizations if you do something like this. Okay, so by default, since we have not run here, so by default the latest version be picked up and it will generate this file. You could see here, okay, latest version. So if you want to generate with some older version, what you can do, simply go to this, copy this and go to the Maven repository and take that version that you wanted. Okay, and then simply execute this particular command. Okay, I'm not doing this because it's good to go with the latest version. That's my suggestion. Okay, that's why I'm not doing this. Okay, it's always good to go with the latest version. This is different version. There were two providers. Mycelia is one, then there is a Mojo, these guys as well. Okay, so you need to see, and you can see here 2.4.0 is the latest version, and if you wanted to go with that old version as well, you can do that. Simply take this and refresh it and execute this particular command again. That's it. Okay, so this is a small information about the Maven license file, guys. Hope it's useful and informative for you guys, and I will, if you found it useful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And do remember that command. What is that command? Command is this guy, Maven license start party. I will try to add this in the description as well. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. It's me, Karthik, signing.